Whenever I start a new project or a job, I have a lot of questions, and one habit that I've been consistently maintaining is collecting all those questions instead of sending them out one by one to the person I can ask them to. Especially at work and when you're new, you can either, ask questions as they pop up, which you can do, and for very urgent questions, of course, you should do it. But there are also questions that can wait like 1 or 2 days until you have a check-in with the person, or a weekly meeting or a daily meeting. And that is like what I prefer to do. Whenever I have questions that aren't super urgent, I ask until a check-in, and then I ask them all in a little bundle of, 5 questions at a time. And I feel like that it reduces the amount of task switching that the person I'm asking needs to do throughout the day. And also for me, I get all my answers in one bulk. I don't have to wait for replies, which is also very helpful. So I recommend you also have a database. That's what I do. I have a database in Notion with questions, and I have a button that I add to all of my popular pages that I spend time on. For example, my tasks page, my meetings page, my content calendar page. I have added this button, which is called New Question. And whenever I'm working and I have a new question, I just click on it and can add a question to my questions database and come back to it later. So how that works is, here's the questions database. You can create a new page, name it questions, and the button is configured like this. Button is clicked, add page to the questions database. You can select database here. The name is left empty, and priority, I can choose ahead of time, high priority, mid priority, and low priority. And then I want Notion to open this page whenever I am creating a new question. So let me show you how it works. Done. Click on new question, the button, and I can type in when was the last time we did user interviews. If I couldn't find this information anywhere in Notion, or I haven't discussed it yet with the person, I can select when was the last time we did user interviews, for example, type that in, and that is a new question in my questions database, right? So how you can create a button is you can click on plus, choose button, add a name, new question, choose an icon if you want. Then the first step is buttons clicked. That is already preset. Then, like I showed you, let's just open this up as an example. Do this, add action, add page to, select database, questions. This is the database, the questions database, it says so here. Then edit another property, priority, high priority, or let's say I can also not select any priority and just select it once I create the question. Add another step, open page, open new page added in center peak or side peak or full page. I'm gonna just select center peak, done. Then I can also remove this old new question button, and whenever I click on this button here, new question, mid priority, you can see it here, it was added to the database. And you can add this button anywhere you like, so you can copy it and add it wherever you want. That's the beauty of it. You can add questions from your personal pages, from your meeting page, from your tasks page, from your notes page, from any page in your private Notion workspace. I think this helped me most when I started working in magic design specifically, and also eNote. Everywhere I was using this approach to just having a questions database, maintaining it. Highly recommend having a questions database, especially if you're starting a new job, but also in general, having this button around and collecting questions can be really helpful. Thank you. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you're going to create your questions database now, and bye bye. Have a lovely day.